Let me know if it's too much force for you.
Ooh.
What was that?
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Elizabeth, and in today's video I'll be pranking my boyfriend Kareem, doing the I cracked my back prank on him. So basically I have two little pieces of macaroni. They're right here, and I'm gonna actually put them in my mouth, and as he gives me a massage, I'm gonna bite into them and make it seem as if he cracked my back. And this is gonna be so funny because he's not gonna know what to do. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get the camera up and I'm gonna prank him. So stay tuned. Oh, also don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on and like this video. Comment down below when you do so we can welcome you to our channel. And let's get straight into it. Hey babe. Is there any way you can give me a massage, babe? My back. I woke up with really bad back pain. Like right here.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh.
What you want? Lotion, coconut oil, or you just want a dry massage?
Just a dry massage.
Alright, what is that
Be
again?
very careful because it's like right here. I don't know. I must have slept wrong. You know how sometimes when you just sleep wrong and
Yeah, cause you just sleep wild, wow. So you said right here.
Yeah. Well,
Hold back.
okay. So you just gotta be very, very gentle and I kind of need it. Wait. What's so funny?
Nah, I was just laughing at you.
Okay. Yeah, but actually, I think the problem's not right there. I think it might be a little, but just be very likely. Because I don't want to break something. Yeah.
You ain't gonna break nothing.
No, you don't understand.
How you gonna break something and get a massage? Come on now.
I'm just saying, the muscle.
I ain't using that much force on you for the
I know,
break,
but you don't understand. It's really painful. Oh, wait. Okay, I think it's I'm trying to show you the area because.
Here? Right here?
Yeah, right there.
Alright. You want me to crack your back too in a little bit?
No, I think this will be fine.
Alright. Just let me know. I should. You think I should stand on it? You want me to stand on it? Nah, I don't think I should do that. Might make it worse. I ain't trying to make it worse.
Trying to just use all your force, but not all. Actually, no, not all your force.
Alright, so this is what you need to do then. Slide this way to the right. Look, keep them out. Either stand them forward like this.
But I think I'm fine like this. This is the most comfortable.
I'm telling you, it's gonna be more comfortable for me.
Okay, go. Ow.
Is it right here?
I think that's the tender spot. Ooh, be careful.
Tender spot.
I think you might have to put your elbow to it.
Put my elbow.
Yeah.
Right here?
Uh-huh.
Alright. Let me know if it's too much force for you.
Ooh.
What was that? Babe. You okay? Babe.
Oh.
You alright? What was that? Did you hear that? Was there your back? Did your back crack like that?
Wait. I can't move.
Yo, babe, what you mean you can't move?
I can't move.
Was that your back that cracked like that?
Wait. Yes. I think that was the spot. Wait, twist it. Turn it around again. Just a little bit to...
To which way? To the right?
The other side, yeah. So maybe it could put it back in place.
Was that really your back that cracked like that?
Ready?
Was it your back? Babe, is that your back cracking like that for real? Man. Babe, was that really your back?
Yes. Oh my gosh. I think I broke my back. I think you broke my back.
Ain't no way your back cracking like that from the massage.
Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm so stiff. I can only like move my torso area. I can't move my.
Like, where does it hurt at? Like, does it feel worse? Like before I started giving you the massage?
You literally cracked my back.
I don't see how though. Like, I wouldn't
Oh
even
my
put that much
gosh! Oh
pressure.
my gosh! It's my neck too now. It's going up my spine.
Like, where does it hurt at? Man, you might need to see a chiropractor. I'll take you to a chiropractor for
It's
hospital.
too late now. You already broke my back. I need to go to the hospital.
But you ain't going to the hospital, all this stuff going on. Like, what does it hurt at? Like, where is it hurting at?
I don't know. Maybe the spot you broke my back at.
All right, stay right there. Let me look up the local chiropractor. Wait, one second.
You can't go without an appointment, babe. Can you just see what's
I can't schedule an
Babe,
appointment.
just see-
That's why I'm looking it up.
just see what's wrong with my back. Maybe you can shift it back in place the other way.
I
'Cause
don't wanna
the
make it
other way
worse.
didn't work.
I don't want to make it worse, babe. So I'm just gonna look up.
You think if I get up, I can probably pop it back in place?
I don't know, cause I don't know how you feel. Like, where is it? Like, you say it's traveling up your. God, man. See, I should never gave you a massage too fast.
Okay, I'm gonna move the other way. Move the other way. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Chiropractor.
Help me up. Help me up.
Okay. I got one. I found one. I'm about to call it.
Can you help me right now? Damn it.
What am I gonna do? I'm not trying to make it
Pick
worse.
me up. I can't get up.
Come on. What I'm taking you to? Where I'm taking you to? Come on.
Ow. Get your crusty fingers off me.
You just told me to pick you up.
You didn't do it gently. Oh my god, my back is throbbing.
Babe,
I ain't never felt no pain like this before.
why you playing? I feel like you playing. Why you playing?
Do it look like I'm playing? Did you hear the sound of
Cause
my back?
I don't, babe.
Touch my
ain't
back.
no way.
Touch my back one
I'm
more
calling the
time.
doctor.
My foot is going up your butt.
I'm calling cause ain't no way your back just cracked like that. From a little
I told you.
half massage.
I told you my back was hurting. Obviously, I had a pressure point there when you moved it so aggressively. Well, I told you to apply pressure, but
Don't worry,
I don't know.
I need to charge him because my phone.
Okay, I think my back, but it's more so my neck. It's more so my neck. Yo,
Hey, how you doing today?
it's a prank. Get off.
Hello?
Hello, how can I help you?
Okay, never mind. Never mind. Thank you. It was a mistake.
Oh, okay.
Are you?
All right.
Did you?
Play too much,
It was
man.
a
Get out the way.
This man really called a whole chiropractor. That's how I know you got me, babe. Come here, don't be mad.
God, dog on shit wasn't finna call in the hospital. Babe, why you be playing like this? You gotta stop playing like this, man.
I told him I was gonna get him back.
Yeah.
Hey.
Alright,
I still had pieces of macaroni. So what I did was I just had macaroni piece.
You must have the raw, like,
Oh my
shell,
God, it was
macaroni
nasty
shell.
raw shell, and I bit it. That's
Ugh, I know that. The taste in your mouth. But hey, she got
it's
me,
not the
y'all.
taste. It just kind of stuck to my teeth. But y'all,
She got me, but guess what? I'm gonna get her back. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all drop comments down below. Make sure y'all like and
oh,
subscribe.
so you turned like that?
Man,
No.
don't do that to me no more. You got me
No,
thinking something
just
wrong
tell
with
me.
you
Can
for
you
real.
stand right here, ding?
Cause you got me thinking something wrong with you for real.
Look, I told didn't I tell y'all I was gonna get him back after that last prank he did on me? I told him I was like, I'm gonna get you back,
Whatever. I'm gonna get
and
you
I
back.
stick to my word, y'all.
I'm gonna get you back.
So let me know if y'all thought it was funny, the reaction, and let me tell y'all, did it not sound like a real crack?
It sounded like a crack. That's why I was
Literally, I did it twice too. I had one right
like,
here,
hold
one right
on,
here.
like,
Y'all.
that's crazy. Don't do this to me.
Y'all,
man.
this was, oh my gosh, this literally, it kind of freaked me out how real it sounded. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notifications on so you can watch our
Team Kareem.
future videos. Anyways, comment Team Liz.
Team Kareem, do not come
No,
in this.
I'm the one that pranked you. So,
Man,
and I
I'm gonna
got
get
you
you back.
good.
It's gonna be Kareem.
I got you
when
good,
get
y'all. I
back.
cannot believe he called this chiropractor.
I told you, cause I'm not calling, bro.
I was like, I had to end it. I had to end it. Like,
You're not going to the hospital. I bet that lady was like, what? Like, what is going on? You hear her accent? Hello?
Y'all.
She thought she was gonna get a sale, didn't it?
Y'all, stay tuned for our next video. Love you
Thought
guys
she was
so
gonna get
much.
some commission off of